Hello friends, welcome to the lockdown series. Today we are going to start a new chapter on work energy power, and before this chapter I would like to request you to go through all the lessons that we have studied till now, because if you have not gone through and not revised any of the previous lessons, then this will be really tough for you, because we will be using all the concepts of the previous sessions to understand this one. Okay, let's start. So to measure work we have two situations. Situation 1, here you can show it. Situation 1 is work is measured when there is a single force acting on it in a same direction. या तो सिंगल फोर्स एक्ट करे और सेम डायरेक्शन पे एक्ट करे, जैसे कि एक गाड़ी है वो एक डायरेक्शन पे मूव कर रही है और उस पर कोई बच्चा, कोई खिलौना, कोई थ्रेड लगा के उसको खींच रहा है विथ सम फोर्स एफ इन सम पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन. ओके, सो देयर इज दिस थीटा एक एंगल पे खींच रहा है और डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो रहा है इस डायरेक्शन में. सो जिस डायरेक्शन में डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो रहा है और जिस डायरेक्शन में फोर्स से हम खींच रहे हैं उस डायरेक्शन और थीटा के रिप्रेजेंटेशन को हम दिखाते हैं वर्क इज इक्वल टू एफ वेक्टर डिस्प्लेसमेंट वेक्टर और कॉस थीटा. तो यहाँ पे फोर्स और डिस्प्लेसमेंट वेक्टर है, लेकिन इन दोनों के डॉट प्रोडक्ट से जो हमको क्वांटिटी मिल रही है वो स्केलर क्वांटिटी मिल रही है. तो वर्क एक स्केलर क्वांटिटी होता है. ओके, और वर्क का कोई स्पेसिफिक डायरेक्शन नहीं होता. इट्स इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ any kind of directions like vectors, but work still can be positive, negative or zero. How, we will see. So the one condition of work is it's a single force in same direction, and the second condition we'll be discussing is about kinetic energy, change in kinetic energy. So in what question you will use what formula, in what question you have to understand it. Okay. So only magnitude of work is representation of its scalar quantity. So work is a scalar quantity, and work is also change in kinetic energy, which you will study in situation 2. So here you can see that either when you are when an object is subjected to a force in some direction, for case 1 suppose, so theta and displacement. So if the displacement, if force and displacement are in same direction, so the theta between them is 0. Okay, and the value of cos theta is equal to 1. So we have work is equal to f dot d cos theta, which is equal to 1. Okay, so work is only positive f dot d. Okay, second case, if you are applying a force in some theta is equal to 60 degree. So here the cos theta is cos 60 value is 1 by 2. You have studied in trigonometry classes, and the efficiency of work is decreased by half. So the work you are doing previously by directly applying force in the direction of the motion of the displacement, here you can see that the efficiency when you are applying it at a 60 degree angle is reduced. So यहाँ से यहाँ तक इस वर्क की वैल्यू जो है वो रिड्यूस होके फाइनली एफिशिएंसी हेयर इज हाफ ऑफ द प्रीवियस वन. एंड व्हेन यू आर अप्लाइंग द फोर्स इन 90 degree angle, so at 90 degree angle the force of the work, this is it. Okay, at 90 degree angle the work done by the force will be 0, because cos theta is equal to 0 at 90 degree, value of cos 90 degree is equal to 0. So work done is 0. So no work is done in lifting an object from one direction and when the displacement is in another direction. So here the value of force and displacement are 90 degree. Okay, we will explain this situation in detail. second condition, third condition, and fourth condition is when theta is equal to 120 degree. Here theta is equal to 120 degree, not 90. This is 120. So when theta is equal to 120 degree, cos of 120 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here the work done is minus FD by 2. Now what does that mean? The negative sign of work do not mean that the direction of the motion of the particle will get reversed. No. Here the negative sign has a certain meaning, and we will discuss in situation 2. It actually means that the either speed is increasing or decreasing. So work has direct relation with the speed. Okay. Similarly, when you are pulling an object and giving a force subjected to a displacement and force in opposite direction, suppose in case of a motorcycle, this is a weird motorcycle. Suppose an object is going in certain direction and the force of friction is applying in for some vehicle in the reverse direction. So here in this case the work will be negative, but this negative work will not change the direction of the object. It will only signify the decrease in speed. So to get a work and to make it a zero, either we can change the force vector to 0, either we can make the force applied to the 0. Suppose if a vehicle is moving at 20 meters per second, okay, and if you apply no force to a vehicle, it will still maintain the speed of 20 meters per second in same direction. Now I have told you in the previous chapter that the force is only required to start the object motion. It is not required to maintain the motion. तो स्पीड को मेंटेन करने के लिए फोर्स की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. ओके, सो फोर्स इज ओनली रिक्वायर्ड टू स्टार्ट द ऑब्जेक्ट मोशन. सो हेयर if the object is already at certain speed and you are giving no force to it and f is equal to 0, so work done will also be 0 and it will not change its speed. It will still become 20 meters per second throughout. Okay, so if there is no change in speed, no work will be done. So no change in speed, no work. Okay, second case, if the displacement is 0, work is 0. So when you are pushing a wall against something, जब आप किसी दीवार को धक्का दे रहे हो तो वहाँ पे उस केस में उस वॉल का डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0 है. तो पहला केस हमने क्या कहा, देखा कि आइदर हम फोर्स को 0 कर दें, जो कि ये वाला केस था. दूसरे केस में या फिर हम डिस्प्लेसमेंट ही ना हो, आप किसी चीज़ को धक्का दे रहे हो और उसमें डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो ही नहीं रहा. सो इन दैट केस द डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज 0, सो एंटायर क्वांटिटी बिकम 0, सो वर्क डन इज 0. In third case, cos theta becoming 0. So here what is happening is there is a tractor. Okay, now someone is moving a tractor. He is driving this tractor in this direction. Okay, and there is a person, like suppose you are trying to lift some weight in this tractor in this direction. Now tractor is going in this direction at 50 meters per second, but you are trying to lift it in this direction, this weight. So force by the man or by you is in this direction, while it will be moving, the object will be moving in this direction with the tractor. So force by man on the object lying on the tractor is perpendicularly, and cos theta is becoming 0, cos theta becoming 90 degree. So this force is not doing any work, but the force by the tractor on this thing is doing the work. So it is depend on who is doing the work on what object, depending on in what direction the force is applied. So if the force is applied in perpendicular direction, the work done will be 0. So we have studied the three cases. Here you can make the work done 0 by 90 degree by applying the force is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so by three conditions, by making three conditions 0, either by making force 0, by making displacement 0, or by making theta 90 degree, you can make the work 0. Remember, here work is done by the tractor on the object, but not by the man on the object. It is depending on who is doing what work in what direction, who is applying what force in what direction. So by this condition we have came to the second explanation of the work. So I have told you that the change in kinetic energy is the situation 2. So we can change the work in two ways, by applying this formula, but this formula has a condition. Okay, here force is in the direction of the displacement, then only the work will be done. But in this condition we can see the work in direct relation with the speed. So here we can see that the work is the change in kinetic energy, and you know that the kinetic energy is equal to half of mv square. This v is not velocity, this is speed. So this change in kinetic energy means the change in speed. So work done by a person, if the speed is increasing, then the work done is positive. Okay, if the speed is decreasing, then the work done is negative. If the speed is same, then the work done is 0. We have seen in this case. Okay, there is no work done in just to maintain the speed. Okay, so suppose here a person is going in 5 kilometers per second